Hello kids, in this video we'll talk about next puzzle, that is tool trouble, and this puzzle introduces the construction foo and the concept of looping, and it also have 8 levels. So before we start, let us meet one more foo, that is Woz. Woz is the builder who will construct the crates. So let's start our first level and let us see how Woz help us to collect the coins by building crates. Kids, here you can see that the Woz has to collect 2 green coins and a tool. And if we are using 3 jump up commands, he is unable to collect the tool. So for that, he needs to create a stack of crates so that he can reach the tool and get the star. So here stack means the piles of object. So for that, the construction foo builds crates slowly, but that's on purpose. You will see why in the next level. So here we use the commands jump up, then created a box, then again jump up, and again we use the box. In this way we use the commands, 2 commands 3 times.
Loop.
And here the concept comes loop or looping. So kids, here we'll learn one more concept of computer science, that is loops. Loops means whenever we need to repeat the code or commands for a specific number of times, and this is a command that we are going to use in our next levels. This is a loop command that help us to repeat our commands again and again or up to a desired number of times. So let us see how we are going to use the loop command in this level. Now you have unlocked the loop block, drag it in, add a crate command and watch how fast the construction foo builds crates now. Looping commands also take less space, means memory, in your code tray. So players are able to write more powerful programs now. Woohoo!
Dynamite.
So it's so easy, we need not to type the same commands again and again. Now it's time to blow some stuff up. Use your dynamite to destroy these crates and get down to the screwdriver. It takes 2 sticks to get there. Wow, we complete this task. We move on to the next level. So kids, in this level we are reinforcing the same concept as the last level, but now the star is up above the construction foo. So for that we need to burst the crates so that foo will be able to reach the coin and hammer. But for that also he needs a box so that he can jump up on the box and then collect green coin and hammer. So here you can see I am using the commands, first one dynamite, then construct a box and then jump up to collect the hammer. So let us see how it works. Yes, the foo has collected the coin and hammer. So this level is also complete. Move on to the next level. So kids, in level 6, you need to recognize the pattern because we are having the loop block to make the things easier. So kids, here we'll check commands one by one. If I'm using jump right, you can see here the foo is unable to jump because he cannot jump on 2 boxes by using 1 jump. So for that we need to burst these boxes first. So for that we need the dynamite. After dynamite blows the boxes, the foo needs to jump twice on right side. And here you can see if we repeat these 3 commands by using loop, we can accomplish our task. Here we need to use these 3 commands only 3 times, so I am setting my loop only for the 3 times. So kids, here you can see we need not to repeat these 3 commands again and again. Instead, we can use loop to make our code simple. So now we have finished our 6 levels and you have to try the next 2 levels yourself. And we'll discuss both levels in our next class. Thank you kids.